Today we're going to play that Jigsaw Card Solitaire puzzle game. This plays a little different, so check it out. All right, let's see. I'm going to match the pieces up here. Nope. That was matched. Nope. Tell you what we can do. Look up here in the top right corner. See that light bulb has 5 helps? Click on one of them. See, it shows you where a piece goes. All right. Nope, didn't go there, did it? Didn't go there. Let's try another one. Oh, that's a mystery piece. It goes right there, doesn't it? See that mystery piece right there? That's the piece. Step on it and you can see it. Okay. All right, we got this going. Those matched up. Now you can move them around, see? Tell you what, let's put that right there and put him right there. Those matched up. Do they match up with anything over here? Nope. Sometimes you need to help get things going here. I'm well into it, level 165. Move this guy over right here, okay. See if that'll go right there. No, did it? That one went right there, though. See, all those are together. Look at that. All right, let's find some more chair pieces here. Nope. Those two matched up, but they don't match over here, do they? I use the help to get me going, get some stuff matched up so we can find things that'll go with it. Let's see here. Perfect. Yeah, that one matched, but those two put back together. Slide this guy down here. All right. Look at there. That'll go right there, I bet you. Yep. All right, we're working on it. Nope. Nope. Those matched. Okay. Nope. All right, we're out of helps up there. If we watch an ad, we'll get some more, though. That matched up some stuff. Oh, those legs, it's hard to find what matches, isn't it?
Do it for you.
All right, we watched an ad and got some more helps up there. Let's use one of them. All right, we're beginning to find some pieces here, aren't we? Yeah. No. No. That guy gonna match? No. No, I thought that would have matched, but it didn't. Goes right there, though. All right, we're finding pieces that match here. Move up and get things together. Will that go there? Nope. Will it go there or there? It went there. Those two matched. Okay. Those matched up. Those guys matched. Let's use another help. I got a mystery thing there. All right. That went right there. Boy, these chair pieces all look alike, don't they?
Nice.
No. Wow. They just all look alike, don't they? Those helps really fill in though. Look at there, that matched some stuff up. Okay. Man, they just all look alike. Maybe you're seeing pieces, but I'm not. Well, at least that matched. Okay.
Nice.
Some pieces are beginning to match up, but still having trouble, aren't I?
Perfect.
It's just perfect, but didn't match anything.
Excellent. Excellent.
All right, we got some more helps. Use one of them.
Nice.
All right, well, things began to fit in right there, didn't it?
Perfect.
That fit in good.
Excellent.
That fit in. That fit in. Boy, we're getting close. Look at here. Oh, we got all that one. All right. Finally. Finish that puzzle. I think that's probably going to be as far as we can go this time, but we'll go back. 166 is next, so. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on, links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.